Yo, what is up, armies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm actually filming it right now, and then next week for the Thanksgiving week, I'll be posting it out then. So I'm not gonna post it out by today. So I'm gonna be posting it out when I have my Thanksgiving week. So in that series, I'll be posting it by then. But I'll be filming it right now for you guys. I guess we know everything that's been going on and all that stuff. This is gonna be week 1, the day 1 of the Thanksgiving week series. And this video is pretty much something that I've never done. It's gonna be an unboxing video, something I've been wanting for so long. I feel like if I'm doing a room tour coming out soon, then I would need some equipment and some things to add on to it. Since you guys might not know already, so I'm going to be adding some new stuff into the room that you guys have been wanting to see, but I haven't really shared with you guys yet. So today will be another unboxing video. So I know I have done some unboxing videos back in the day in my old house, but now in this new house, it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be one hell of a journey. It's going to be an amazing, dope experience here to do this. So let's do this. I can't wait to show you guys all around my new room and putting my new stuff. We'll be adding it to the room and all that stuff. You guys may not know, I just received my marker holder not too long ago for my 19th birthday. It's been an absolute incredible year celebrating my birthday, and now we got to do this. It's gonna be an amazing time doing this. I've never had a marker holder before, but I'm gonna get used to it, and hey, to make my markers neat and organized. So if there's any marker gone or something like that, I have to replace it, you know. But on top of it too, I just received a package of a new acrylic paint markers. I think it's called Poscas, and I love it so much. I've been dying for that to come, and I brought it to the house. You guys may know I use that Poscas for art in my art studio. I've been using that in Mr. Jeremy's class, and I love the marker itself. I think the quality fits really well, so I feel like that should be the one that I can use professionally when I color and make art, make birthday cards and holiday cards. I feel like they're gonna be the best markers to use for. And I guess may not know as well, but I do really want some more filming equipment here and there. So I got me an iPad and iPad and phone holder for me, so I can actually film art. I can film me doing art, posting it to my channel. So if there's some possible new videos coming out soon, I would say, except for the Thanksgiving week and all that stuff. So in one of those videos, maybe in a series, maybe you'll see some things a little bit new to it. So I'm gonna be adding some things here and there, and we'll see. But I don't know. I'm not gonna 100% tell you guys that we're gonna have a new video coming out, but if there is, I definitely will tell you guys 100% that we are gonna be doing it once we do an update on the series and everything. So let's just get straight into it today for today's video. Let's keep the grind going. I just want to say thank you so much for this amount of subscribers right now. It's been an absolute journey, absolute road to get to that point, and now it's time for me to get up to 2 million subscribers. So guys, come on, I know you guys can do it. 2,000, right? 2,000 subscribers is coming up, so gotta keep it up, and hey, let's get it going, guys. So right now I'm gonna start doing time lapse. I'm going to get rid of some of my markers, and then I'm gonna unbox it and then fill it back in and stuff like that. So I'll be another time lapse on that as well. But then I'll see you guys back after that is done. I'll see you guys in a bit though. Peace. Alright guys, so I have just finished. Oh yes, I have just finished the entire thing here. I didn't really get to film as much, but you already saw the beginning of it. I didn't really get a chance to film during the transformation as I rebuilt my collection of my markers. As you can see here, I had the paint markers in the bottom, and then so I come out to the markers, and then I got Sharpies, I got highlighters, some pens here, and I even have some on the top and stuff, some rare markers. And I did a swatch, a color swatch on it, on my acrylic marker, and with everything that I wanted. So this is everything here that I've been wanting this for so long. Now it's here finally, and yeah, so it's pretty much everything I got. And also I'm gonna be opening this one up next. Oh yeah, the iPad holder and the phone holder. So let's get right into it. And then I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm finally done. I'm finally done with everything. I have already put all my markers in my holder. And when I look at it, bro, like when I'm done, once I'm done with everything, like, bro, like look at this, like this is amazing, right? And this is actually my dream room right now, but with this special edition stuff in my room now, like my markers is here, my holder is already here in my room. I just like that my acrylic markers just came in today, and the iPhone and iPad holder that just came in today. So they both have roughly the same time. It was all in one box. This morning it came. It came finally, and then when I came back home from school, I opened it up. I did it all night, all afternoon, all night, and now I think everything is good to go. So everything is off, done. I already finished it with everything ready. I should test trying my new iPhone and iPad stand. So if I'm filming update, I'm not gonna. If I'm filming like an update, I might film it on my other stand instead of this one, because mainly this one is supposed to be for when I film for art. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. But I just want to try it, see how it goes. But I feel like this is an amazing, like this has been already. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say, bro. Like, this has been an incredible experience. I never had this kind of stuff before in my room, but this is something that I dreamed of doing from the moment I saw it on TikTok or YouTube or anything like that. I know things. I will be a little jealous because I never had that before, but now I get to have an experience where I already see it in reality. I just, bro, I finally had it. I finally have it now, man. Like, this is now like the time where which is the time that I'm gonna be doing my room tour officially. I think officially the time that I'm gonna be doing the room tour. So you guys have been waiting for so long, ever since I moved into the new house, and now I think this is it. This is the moment you've been waiting for. So right now I'm gonna be cleaning up everything. I'm doing deep clean to my room for now, and then during Thanksgiving week I will clean up my room for you guys, and to get ready for the shoot, get ready for the room tour to happen, you guys. So I can't wait. I don't know when the room tour will be filming. I don't know when the room tour is going to happen. I don't know when it's going to be uploaded to my channel yet, but I will give you guys some updates here and there before I filmed it, and stuff like that. So we'll see, and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and please don't forget to post notifications. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.